Here's some of my electrolyte that we put in our hydrogen generators. Here's a close-up of the installation of the water trap. On top of the water trap is the line out into the air intake manifold, which tees into the PCV valve. And then there's a copper line that runs over to the hydrogen oxygen generator, which you can see here. This is installed in my father's red Ford Escort station wagon. And you might not look at this car and think that it's the wave of the future, but it does as well as any hybrid car. Now here's the gas station where we topped off the gas, unleaded regular gas, 308.9 per gallon. And we've zeroed out the odometer. We're starting from this gas station and driving to a gas station in Mason, Michigan. And there's the power switch for the generator. It is turned on and we are driving at 70 miles per hour on our way to Mason, Michigan. And the car is running very smoothly. So we get to Mason, Michigan, pull up to the gas station, and my father is ready to top off the gas. Not quite sure what to expect. And here's the odometer again. It reads 32 miles on the trip odometer. And my father is pumping the gas, trying to get some gas in the tank, that is. He only put in 0.539 gallons. And he spent $1.72, and that mileage comes out to about 60 miles per gallon. 60 miles per gallon is pretty good for an old Ford Escort station wagon. So I ask you this: why buy an expensive hybrid vehicle when you can drive a station wagon that gets 60 miles per gallon?